2021 is almost here and I am ready to leave 2020 behind. In today's video, I'll be sharing top 5 resolution for 2021. And at the end of the video, I'll be sharing one resolution which I took for 2020 which actually changed my life, or you can say that it acted as a game changer for me in 2020. Hello and welcome to Living with Neha, and here I am Neha. So do not forget to watch this video till end, and if you really like my video, kindly share and subscribe and hit the bell icon so that next time if I upload a video, you will be notified first. Before starting the video, I just want to say that these resolution has really worked for me. So it is not a guarantee that they will work for you, but if you will give it a try, they might work for you. And giving it a try is not a big task, so I hope that you will give it a try in 2021 so that these resolution can bring a best out of you. So my first resolution is get in touch with your loved ones. मतलब अपने loved ones से, यानी कि friends, family, इन सब से touch में रहो. I know it is like very much difficult to call every day. मत करो call, just text them very frequently, or you can just send a voice messages. Trust me, it will bring a lot of change in your life, because जो positive energy आपके family, friends आपको provide करेंगे, वो nobody can else provide. And same time पे आप एक अच्छा सा connection भी build कर पाएंगे अपने family, friends, loved one के साथ, which is very much important in today's time, that you should have a very good connection with your loved ones. So my resolution idea for you in 2021 would be that you should get in touch with your loved ones, family, friends. Try to meet them very often. If you cannot make a call to them, just text a message. Ask them whether they are fine or not, what they are doing, what they are up to. I know these things are very small in nature, but trust me, जब आप करोगे, you will find a lot of difference in your life. Actually, you will be very happy, and at the same time, you will feel good about yourself that you're taking care of yourself as well as you're taking care of other people जो आपसे connected भी है. So try this resolution. I hope this will help you in some way. My second resolution for you for 2021 would be mind your eating habits. I know how much important is to just take care of your health, because your health is wealth, right? हम हमेशा से सुनते आए हैं that health is everything. You should take care of your health. You should watch what you eat. So it's not like rocket science or something like that. So in 2020, I just took a challenge for myself that okay, I will bring some changes in my eating habits, because earlier my eating pattern was not good. So if you can take up this challenge, or you can just say that goal or resolution, whatever you can call, so take up this resolution for 2021 that you will change your eating patterns. That try to include more rainbows in your diet, like eating vegetables, eating fruits, eating nuts, everything which can add some value to your diet, right? It should not be completely fat or everything. It should be a balanced diet of carbohydrates, fat, everything. The moment you will do all these things, slowly what you will see that your health is recovering, right? You are feeling good, you're feeling light, and you're feeling energetic. You're not feeling lazy around all day. No. So trust me, just give it a try and try to build this resolution that okay, I'll try to eat healthy for these 2021, and this will bring a good change in your life. My third resolution for you is to focus on financial health. This is as important as paying attention to your overall health. And if I say this is like very important part of our life, to focus on financial health. Now, how to focus on financial health? Let's suppose you want something in life. First, be clear, be specific, what you want. Like create a short-term goal. Okay, in 6 months I want this. एक साल में मुझको ये चाहिए. So create a short-term goals, and then what you are doing excessively, right? Suppose you are eating out excessively, you are just shopping every day. So try to cut that thing and try to focus on the things which you want and try to save for that. So you should create a balance between everything, whatever you are expending, what is your need, what you should spend on like necessities, what you should spend on luxury items. It should be a balance. Then only you will be creating a financial health. And try to learn some investing habits in 2021, because you should know what is investing, how to invest, where to invest. At least you should have a basic knowledge of all these things, because this will help you in the long run as well as in the short run. So try to create a financial health, because if I'll take my example, I used to go for shopping a lot, like random shopping, like window shopping. So I tried to reduce that during this 2020, and I am on it right now also. But try to do like, and I am ready, like I am trying to save more money. So try to do that. Whatever is your need, try to focus on that, and try to save more. My fourth resolution for you is to create a morning routine, because that is very much important, and I cannot even emphasize on this factor that how much it has changed my life. ट्रस्ट मी, आई वॉज द काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन जिसको लेट उठना पसंद था और सब कुछ ऐसे लेट करना पसंद था. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट यू हैव टू गेट अप एट 5 or 6. That's not a thing. Like, that's not the point I want to make over here. It's about your morning. Whatever morning ritual or routine you want to follow, it should be like you should be comfortable in that. But create a morning habit, create a morning routine, and you will see it will make a hell lot of difference, because it will be like you are starting a day on a positive note, and you know what to do what to do during the day. So you should always try to create a morning ritual. Like for some people, going for a walk, some people do meditation, some people engage with a cup of coffee, some people go out and just stand in front of the sun. It could be anything, like whatever you like to do. But try to create a morning ritual, because it will bring out the best version of yourself, and you will be more productive, you will be more creative during the whole day. So try to create a morning routine, because this might help you in 2021. Number five resolution which I'll be suggesting for you to go for 2021 is to start your side hustle or side business. If you have been a person who was just thinking about starting their something own, but you were like, I'll do it tomorrow, then it is the right time, I guess, that you should start your side hustle or side income, whatever you were thinking from last few months, few days or few years. So I think this is a good time to start something new. And you should always focus on creating something which is like out of your hobbies, or which you actually enjoy doing, and try to make it as a side hustle, because it will give you immense benefits, like in terms of getting happiness, in terms of getting job satisfaction, in terms of, because that will be your thing. You will put so much hard work into that, you will put your 100% into that, because that will be your passion project or passion income or passion side project. So if you have been thinking about starting something new, I think this can be the time that you can start. So this is my resolution number 5, that whatever you are planning to start, please start. So with that, I am almost towards the end of my video, and as I told you that I'll be sharing at the end of the video that resolution which I took in 2020, which actually changed my life a little bit, or you can say completely, is reducing my sugar intake. Trust me, it might sound funny to you, but actually I have reduced my sugar intake to like almost, I have cut it down from my diet. And if you can do so, you will see an immense difference it can make to your life. And that can be the best thing which you will give to your body. Like, trust me, if you can cut down on sugar, if you can reduce your sugar intake, that is the best gift which you will give it to your body. And it's not about being like slim, trim, or it's not about being in shape or something like that. If you really want to be happy, if you have little bit interest in being happy, try to cut down sugar from your everyday life, because that is I cannot even emphasize on this factor that how much harmful this sugar intake is. So try to reduce it, try to just reduce it step by step, and then try to cut it down. But make this resolution for 2021. I hope this will help you, because this has helped me a lot, and I have reduced weight also. I am feeling more healthier, lighter, and more energetic day by day. So if you can do that, that would be helpful. So this was my tips, and these were my resolution, my ideas for resolution, or these resolution actually I have like खुद से भी मैंने ट्राई किए हुए हैं. I hope these resolution have given you some ideas कि मुझे क्या resolutions बनाने हैं 2021 में. I hope this will help you, and I hope if this video has helped you in any way, try to share as much as possible and try to share it with your friends so that they can also take some resolution for 2021, and I can just make their life easy in selecting the resolutions ideas for 2021. Thank you for watching.